welcome back to another interesting class. Are you excited? Today, we are going to be learning some interesting topics titled Magnet and Compass. Magnet and Compass. In this lesson, you are going to be learning why does a magnet stick to a refrigerator, how can magnets move things without touching them, and why are some magnets stronger than others. And lastly, how does a compass work? What's this? Is this a fish? No. A wood? No. A toy car? No. This is a magnet. A magnet is an object that attracts metals and other magnetic objects. A magnet is an object that attracts metals and other magnetic objects. Some magnets. Wow, this is a circular magnet. And the next is the U-shaped magnet. So circular magnet, U-shaped magnet. We also have horseshoe magnet. Say it after me, horseshoe magnet. And the next is ring magnet. Say it after me, ring magnet. The ring magnet has the shape of what? A circle. Oh, what about the bar magnet? I know the magnet you have mostly seen is the bar magnet. This is the bar magnet. So now we are going to be looking at magnetic objects. Magnetic objects are objects that act like a magnet. They are objects that act like a magnet. And that's why this object can attract metals. They can attract metals without touching it because they are magnetic and they have iron in them. Yes, they have iron in them. So if you look at this picture, you see the magnetic object and the non-magnetic object. For the magnetic object, we have nail, needle, safety pin, scissors. The metal part of the scissors is magnetic. The metal ruler and so on, they are magnetic objects. But if you look at the non-magnetic objects, these materials are not attracted by a magnet. Like your sponge, your pencil, your toy, duck, and so on. Even your rubber spoon, they are non-magnetic objects. Remember, magnetic objects are objects that has like a magnet. They are attracted to a magnet because magnetism is a force that pulls two magnetic objects together. So a force that pulls two magnetic objects together is called magnetism. Yes, that's what magnetism. So magnetic field. Magnetic field is the area around a magnet that is attracted to a magnetic object. It is the area around a magnet that is attracted to a magnetic object. Yes, can you see the magnetic field of these magnets? Can you see the north and the south poles too? Remember, a magnet has two poles, the north and the south poles. Again, the north and south poles. North and south poles attract. So the other north and south poles from the other edge, they will also what? Attract. What about north and north poles? North and north poles repels. North and north poles repels. What about south and south poles? South and south poles will also what? Repel. But north and south poles will attract each other. So from this, we can conclude that unlike poles attract, but like poles repel. Unlike poles attract and like poles repel. So now, let's look at some uses of magnets. 1. It helps train to move faster. So magnets enable train move faster. So if you look at your train, it has a lot of magnets, and that's what makes train to move faster. Then, secondly, it helps fridge and freezer to close properly. Can you see the fridge and the freezer? They are closed. Why? Because they have magnets. So without magnets, they won't close properly. So magnets also help to hold things together. Types of magnets. There are three types of magnet. The first is the permanent magnet. And this magnet keeps its magnetic field. The magnet keeps its what? Magnetic field. Then we also have the temporary magnet. This magnet loses its magnetic field easily, and so that's why we call it temporary magnet. And the last one, we have electromagnet. We have electromagnet. Electromagnet is a magnet that has a strong magnetism. It is made by using electricity. It is made by using what? Electricity. And that's why we call it electromagnet. Wow. What's this? This is a kind of magnet. And this is the strongest magnet in the universe. It's a kind of star. It is billions of times stronger than any magnet on Earth. This is called electromagnet. It is in Germany and scientists use it for what? Experiments. Scientists use it for what? Experiment. How does a compass work? A compass is a tool that shows direction. Can you see the picture of the compass? Yes, it's showing you direction. Even a car has what? A compass that shows you the direction of where you are going to, whether you are going to north, east, west, south. Yes. This is a part of what? A compass. It has a die, it has a needle, it has a base plate, and orienting arrow. The needle always points to the north. The needle of your compass always points to the north before it starts moving. So it points always toward the north. The core. Can you see the picture of the core? Very beautiful. The core is the middle part of something. The part of the earth that is magnetic is called a core. And there are various layers of the core. Wow, we have the inner core and the outer core. The inner core and the outer core. Like the name inner is inside the core, but the outer core is around the surrounding of the core. Can you see some other parts? The ice cap, continent, ocean, atmospheric hydrosphere. Wow! These are part of the earth that is magnetic, and it is called the core. Question time. Are you excited? How many poles does a magnet have? I named them. A magnet has 2 poles. North and south poles. Bravo! Good job! Wow, what an interesting and fantastic class. Now you have learned so much about a magnet, its poles, and how a magnet sticks to a refrigerator. Now you also know the meaning of a compass and how a compass works. Wow. See you in our next class. I remain your beautiful and amiable teacher, Miss Irene Omoyemi. Say bye for now. I love you.